I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
Good morning, vlog. It is Friday, and I am so happy. Obviously, you guys know there's nothing that I love more than Friday. Look at how pretty my tree looks. I love it. Okay, geez, what is today? What day of Vlogmas are we on? We start to get into these middle parts where like, who even knows what day it is? I never have any idea. Today is Vlogmas day 11. Oh my God, we're almost halfway through. Tomorrow is halfway to the finish line here, which is crazy. It is weird, like Vlogmas is so much work. It's very exhausting, but it also goes so quickly. It's ridiculous. What I'm gonna do, since I have a lot of work to do today, I actually pre-filmed a little bit of a virtual holiday event that I went to back in November sometime. It was on a day, I think it was like during that week that I took off from vlogging, but I did want to film that because usually there are lots of holiday parties and fun events and stuff that I share during Vlogmas, and obviously this year there won't be any of that. But this brand was doing a virtual event, which was really fun. It was like a cocktail making class, although they showed us how to make virgin cocktails, but obviously you could spike them. So I'm gonna throw those clips in at some point today. I think maybe after lunch I'll put those clips in, that way you guys get some sort of fun content, and then obviously Connor will be coming over later tonight, which will be great. We do not have any plans at all for tonight. So, is that it? Is that everything I wanted to say? Oh, let me show you what I'm wearing. Just got these tie-dye sweats on, which are so cute. They have like such a thick waistband, which makes them so comfortable. They're just like really high quality. I can't believe how good of quality these sweatpants are since they're from Forever 21. And then just this little like crop, which I think is from like Urban or something like that. But just very comfy and ready for our day. Gotta get all my different drinks together that I want this morning. I'm gonna make some tea because unfortunately my building shut down our coffee room. Can't go down there and get any, which is really what I want today, but oh well. Just let that start to brew. Throw some liquid IV in my water, get some extra hydration going. This is their strawberry flavor, which is by far my favorite. It's so good. All right, there you go. Let's get to work. All right, it is now 2 p.m. I am making great progress on my to-do list. I don't think it's gonna be a very late Friday, which is always so good. So let's make some lunch. I'm thinking just like rice. I have some leftover vegan ground beef in the fridge. Throw that in there. Veggies, really simple. Okay, so we have a mix of white rice and vegan ground beef in here. I actually had way more vegan ground beef than I thought, so it's gonna be pretty heavy on that, which is fine. We're gonna throw in cucumbers and bell peppers. All right, there we go. I also browned up some zucchini just with like basically how I would season a taco. So like chili, garlic, all of that stuff. And then maybe throw a bit of onion on there too. Yeah, I mean, it looks messy as heck, but it's going to taste delicious. Thinking some Real Housewives during lunch, sort of dumb and easy to work through. Oh, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut to that virtual event content that I pre-filmed, so enjoy. So obviously holiday events are a little different this year, but I still thought it would be fun to share with you guys sort of what brands are doing. And today is one with Lord Jones. It's like sort of holiday themed, not super, but they're gonna teach us how to make a cute little non-alcoholic drink. They sent me all the supplies here in this box, which is awesome. And I'm just about to hop on the Zoom with them, and I thought it would be sort of cool to share it with you guys. Okay, so I'm in with them right now. I'm listening through my AirPods because the speakers on my computer are broken. Classic. But I think we're about to start sort of the fun event. I wanted to show you all the goodies they sent me. I haven't even finished opening them all yet. First up, we have these really gorgeous glasses called Lord Jones, from Lord Jones. They're really pretty. There are 2 of them here. I haven't opened the other yet. These will be great for cocktails though, and also like if Connor wants to have whiskey or something, I feel like this could be a good whiskey glass. I actually know nothing about whiskey, so that could be totally wrong too, but I don't know. Let's see, we have like these little gummy orange or lemon pieces, it looks like, as well as this little like dried orange slice. Looks like there's 2 tonic kits here. Oops. One is winter spiced and one is sugar plum tonic. Such a cute idea. I just love that they're doing this. That's everything from this box, but there is more stuff, so let me find it. The struggle.
Guys, this is the biggest struggle ever. Phew. Okay, this is Fever Tree Club Soda, all of that for a club soda, but look at how cute this is. Seed Lip distilled non-alcoholic spirit, sort of interesting. I'm assuming that this could be replaced with actual alcohol. It's currently 2:12 on a Thursday, so I will not be drinking alcohol right now, but I'm definitely gonna make like a smaller glass, I think, or maybe only one of them so that I can try it with alcohol later.
So let me show you what these new products are. These are 2 new tinctures, and what's different about these, I'm not sure if the flavors are different, peppermint and orange. I definitely have never had either of these flavors. Sorry, it's a little out of focus. What's different about these is that they're full spectrum CBD, which is a little different than before. It basically means that they have a very small level of THC in it, not enough to like get you high or to feel any effect of that, but it does just help with the calmness. So pretty excited to try these. And then we also have their gumdrops, which you guys might know are my favorite products from Lord Jones, and these are their 2 holiday flavors. So this is the sugar plum and spiced cranberries. So I'm definitely gonna have to be trying these for you guys and let you know what I think of the new flavors. Okay, we're starting the mocktails now, so let's see how this goes. I'm excited. These are such cute little kits here, you guys. I'm dying over these. And these little like tins have a little plane on it and it says wheels up, which would be so cute to say for traveling.
That's not roasting. Jack Frost nipping.
And then one of their gumdrops, which I love so much. Their gumdrops are so yummy. You just drop that in there. We love it. And then I think what I'm gonna do, honestly, is like, see if I can chop this. Just because I want to sort of put it on the edge here as a pretty little, oh, look at that. How pretty. I'm honestly not gonna make the other one because I sort of want to make it, I can only drink so many drinks, so I'm gonna watch them to learn how to make it. The little recipes are in here, but I want to save the other one for when I can, 1, actually spike it, and 2, you know, so I can enjoy both of them. But I'm so excited about this. Look at how cute this is, you guys. Well, that event was so fun, guys. Big thank you to Lord Jones for having me. They're always so generous. I definitely have to try all their new goodies. Actually, I'm sipping on this drink, but should we pull out the gumdrop and try this flavor? It's gonna sort of taste like the drink now, which is fine by me because this drink is really delicious. Oh, that is so good. Oh my God, it's delicious. So this one is the spiced cranberry CBD gumdrops. Now, these are a little bit pricey, but they are my favorite CBD products. It's by far the CBD product that I noticed the biggest difference from after I take one. So I think well worth it. I really preserve mine, just save them for when like I really need to calm down a little bit or just want to treat myself. So there you go. Molly cat, I don't trust you, get away. Oh my God, what are you doing? Love these, but if you're looking for an alternative, they actually sent me these after they saw me talking in a vlog about how these are a little bit pricey. This bottle, I forget how much it is, but I will link it down below. This comes with 30 just gel capsules. I really like these because they don't like have a weird aftertaste or anything. I'm trying to show you, there you go. And one of them really does help a lot. Big thank you to Lord Jones for having me at this awesome event. It's fun getting to do a little something even though things are so different this year. But it was really fun and that's why I wanted to film it and include it in a Vlogmas episode. So now I'm gonna go ahead and let you get back to the vlog you were watching. Okay guys, it is the end of the workday and my friend Katie, who lives in the same building as me, is actually gonna pop down. We're gonna have a drink or 2 or maybe more together, which should be very fun. So she's on her way down right now and we're gonna get this weekend started. Okay, Katie is here now and we just made a drink that we are obsessed with. Cheers again.
Cheers.
This is like so insane, you guys. It's so yummy. Let me show you what it is. A shot and a half of vodka. And then this is the Suja sparkling apple spice and everything nice juice. Oh my God. It's literally
Christmas
insane.
in a cup.
Yeah, it's so good.
Christmas in a cup. I'm so happy right now.
You can't taste the alcohol at all, so very dangerous in the best way.
Oh yeah, we're chugging it.
Yeah, because it tastes so good.
It tastes so good.
Like I keep having to put it down because otherwise I'll just keep sipping.
It's like sparkling cider meets a little bit of, there's no taste of alcohol though. That's why I say it's sparkling cider.
Totally. No, I agree that I think it is sparkling cider. It says apple, cinnamon, and clove.
Oh, so good.
Yeah,
Yeah,
the
the cinnamon.
cinnamon.
The cinnamon makes it.
So good. Okay, we have a cheese board out now. It is hitting the spot. So many good cheeses, especially this one. It's a Gouda. It is my favorite.
Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all